I'm Megha Joshi, Megzi Pop to you. Back on India Food Networks. Oh, why do I say networks? I'm going to share a recipe. I have to get it right now. We all like to have poha. I don't like to eat poha on its own. The Italian Poha Cutlet. So today we're going to make the Italian Poha Cutlet. So let's get started right away. I would like you guys to please take a screenshot of the ingredients that's on your screen right now so you can refer to it whenever needed. We're going to start with the poha. I've actually soaked the poha. Then I have boiled and I've grated the potatoes. So we need to use the potatoes for binding. Then my favorite, cheese. Now we'll add the oregano, which is an Italian spice. I'm going to add some fresh garlic. Then my favorite green chilies. And I'm going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. So let's mix this now properly. You have to mix it really well because we're going to make little cutlets of it. Okay, now I'm just going to take some breadcrumbs in a plate. I'm going to now just make little cutlets, but I find it sticky at times, so the best way is to use some oil. Rub it on your palm so it doesn't stick. Now I'm going to take some of the mixture. I like to make small to medium sized cutlets because they bite size more. I'm just going to roll this in our breadcrumbs. It also adds a little crunch to the cutlet. Okay, so we're just going to shallow fry our cutlets. I'm going to quickly put the stove on. We'll add some oil to our pan. It's shallow fry, so we're not going to add too much. Make sure the oil doesn't get too hot because you don't want to burn your cutlets. Right? There we go. We need to make sure that the cheese melts so that it's nice and gooey and stringy when you open it. My cutlets are nice and golden brown, really nice and crispy. I'm just going to put some paper towel so that we can remove the cutlets and it can suck the excess oil. It's looking lovely. So my Italian cutlets are ready and I am going to have it with a pizza sauce. If you've enjoyed my recipe today, please like, share and subscribe on India Food Networks. This is me signing off and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, miss me, and before I go, let me just try and tell you how it is.